The 4-7-8 breathing method involves inhaling deeply for 4 seconds. Following the inhalation, the breath is held for 7 seconds. The breathing cycle concludes with a slow exhalation over 8 seconds. This technique stimulates the parasympathetic nervous system. Stimulation of the parasympathetic nervous system promotes relaxation. The 4-7-8 breathing method reduces heart rate, preparing the body for sleep. Maintaining a cooler room temperature around 65 degrees F, 18 degrees C, promotes better sleep quality. Lower ambient temperature facilitates a decrease in core body temperature, signaling the body to initiate sleep. A drop in core body temperature improves both sleep onset and overall sleep quality. Optimal sleep conditions include a cooler room to align with the body's natural temperature regulation. Blue light emitted from screens inhibits the production of melatonin before sleep. Melatonin is a hormone that regulates the sleep-wake cycle. Screen use before bed disrupts the natural rise of melatonin levels. Avoiding screens 30 minutes before bed allows melatonin levels to rise. Increased melatonin promotes drowsiness and facilitates sleep initiation. Optimal sleep patterns are achieved by minimizing blue light exposure before bedtime.